Hey guys, I'm flying to Jakarta from Bali. I enjoyed moments here and I had a hard time letting go. So I hope this flight can be calm and peaceful. Times like this, I don't want to move, but these air stairs is making me work those legs. Looks like a fully booked flight, but I hope I'll get through this. All aboard to Jakarta. AirAsia has so much food to choose from, but I only have space for one meal. Or I can buy two since airline meals are teeny tiny anyway. Uncle Chin's chicken rice, I still can't get over that one, but I want to try something new. How about some sweets? Maybe. Wow, milky soupy desserts? Looks interesting. Okay, this reminds me of a civet cat coffee. I need to try that in Jakarta. But for now, I need to focus on what's in front of me. The food. Seriously? How can you give justice to Nasi Padang served in a small box? But who cares now? I'm hungry and I have food. Okay now, just a spoonful of Nasi Padang to manage that hunger. If only you could taste it, because I could not describe it myself. All I know is it's good, and the moment it sits in my tummy, feels so right. After Bali, I'm ready for something big. Something I deserve. Like this spoon overflowing with rice and meat. Some people may think it's too much. But you gotta get what you deserve, even that one. Sometimes you got unnecessary strings attached in your life. All you gotta do is enjoy the moment and take it all in. Feeling better now. Now, if you will excuse me, I'm gonna down this thing for good. In private though. Moving on now. What is this again? I pre-ordered this online and I forgot what this is called. Any idea? Comment down below. Okay, here are the clues. It's milky, obviously. Coconut milk, I think, with lots of brown sugar or palm sugar. It's really good. I really like milky stuff when I was a smaller kid. I think my fetal instincts are kicking in. I'm downing this one. This looks like pumpkin, but could be sweet potato. Some crunch and sweetness to these things. I wonder what they are. I'm really liking this one. It's sweet, milky, fruity. Every mouthful is so satisfying. This is one of the most satisfying meals I've had in a flight. It's just so good. Where was I flying from again? And here they are again, the advertisement stuck on the compartment doors. Shout out to Andrea Surya Reza for answering my question on my KL to Bali flight video. Oh, that's right, I'm flying from Bali. This flight is eerily quiet. Everyone is asleep. I wonder why. Some people complain about leg space in an airplane. You already know, I don't have a problem with that. Looks like we're flying over Jakarta. Heard in the news that this city's land is sinking. How true is that?
At Soekarno-Hatta, the International Airport of Jakarta in Tangerang, Banten. Time now is 9 minutes to 4 p.m. Jakarta time is 1 hour behind than Bali time.
Thank you guys for watching. Please hit the like button, it helps me a lot. Also subscribe to my channel and give that bell button a push so you get notified when I have new videos. It's my first time in Jakarta and I already have a feeling that I will enjoy this city. When you subscribe to me, it's like taking a ride with me, I promise. So, until the next go,